Hello, it is your Sanskrit teacher. Namaste. I am from Kendriya Vidyalaya Annanagar taking Sanskrit class for students 9th standard. Today is introduction session as well as taking lesson number 1. This is the instruction for you all the students. All of you listen to me. After entering the class, you have to give attendance first. Say by one your name. From A section first, then B section. Give your attendance. Speak.
So Manasa from 9A, sir.
Good.
Sir, I am Diksha from 9th A, sir.
Good.
Mohit from 9th B, sir.
Okay. Okay, remaining students.
Ria.
Yes, tell me.
Ria from 9th B, sir.
Very good. Now, remaining students, those who are here on the screen can write the message stating that I am present from this class. So, we are going to take the class, and as I said, you all, your class starts from 11 a.m. to 11:40, and this session is only for 40 minutes. This is class 9th standard A and B section. We are registered so far in Sanskrit students is more than 70 students in the WhatsApp for learning this year, and now online some 7-8 students are present and some are trying to joining now. We have seen on the board. So you inform to them they have to come immediately. This class will go up to 12 o'clock. The lesson number we are going to learn Swarna Kaka. Are you able to see the screen now? Are you able to see the screen? The textbook page number I am showing you. You are able to view that page? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we are going to read the lesson Swarna Kaka. I will explain to you meaning of the Swarna Kaka. Second lesson. And lesson number 1 is given for you. That is only for knowledge purpose learning. It is not for test purpose. So we will teach you lesson number 1 also for the learning purpose, and for the purpose of test we don't ask lesson number 1. We will start from the lesson number 2 onwards because we have to conduct the first test from minimum 2 lessons. Swagatam bhavatam sarvesham Sanskrit kakshaya. Navam kaksha द्वितीय पाठ सेमुषी प्रथम भागः प्रस्तुतोऽयं पाठः श्री पद्मशास्त्रिणा विरचितं विश्वकथा शतकम् इति कथासंग्रहात् गृहीतः अस्ति। अत्र विविध राष्ट्रेषु व्याप्तानां शतं लोककथानां वर्णनं विद्यते। एषा कथा वर्म म्यामर् देशस्य श्रेष्ठा लोककथा अस्ति। अस्यां कथायां लोभस्य दुष्परिणामः तथा च त्यागस्य सुपरिणामः स्वर्णपक्ष काकमाध्यमेन वर्णितः अस्ति। Are you able to see the screen? The letters are big size for you. Able to read? Size is big. Anyone should reply. Are you able to see these words? Are very font size is clear for you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then Prastutoyam Pataha Sri Padmashasтрина Virachita. The present lesson Aswarna Kaka. Swarna means golden. Kaka means Kuro. Golden Kuro, the story. There is a golden crow story that we are going to learn from this lesson. This Prastutoyam Pataha Sri Padmashasrina Virachitam Vishwakatha Satakam. There is one great scholar in Sanskrit, Padmashastri Viraj. He wrote one book, Vishwakatha Satakam, the world Vishwa story book. From that it has taken. Atra Vivida Rashtreshu Vyaptanam Satam Lokakathanam Varnam Vidyate. Asminna Pustake Vishwakatha Pustake Vivida Kathanam Varnanam Vidyate. In this book there are number of stories are there. Yesha Katha Varma Deshasya Shrestha Lokakatha Asti. This story is one of the place called Varma, Myanmar. That place, the Lokakatha Asti, that famous stories are there. Asyam Kathayam Lobhasya Dushparinamaha. In this lesson, the greedy, if the person is very greedy, what will be the reaction of this? Tatha cha tyagasya suparinamaha. And also the changes of the or reaction of the sacrifice. Swarnapaksha Kaka Madhyamena. There was one crow, the wings of the crow is made of golden color. By that they are trying to describe in this lesson. This Asyam Kathayam Lobhasya Dushparinama. Lobha Katham Asti. Lobha means greedy. If suppose the person is very greedy, what will be the reaction? Or if suppose the person is sacrificing, always, what will be the reaction about that? In this, through this Swarna Kaka, golden color crow, by that they are describing here. That is the introduction of this lesson. Now you can see here one girl, the picture you can see one girl is sitting here and mother has given something to her to put on the outside to make it to get dry in the sun heat. One golden color, it is think over likewise. The crow is coming and eating it. The picture you can see. And another picture you can see here. The girl is climbing up of the building. The crow is there inside of the house likewise. Then again you can see in one girl is standing outside of the house likewise. These three pictures are there given in this lesson. You can see. Now I will make for reading of the lesson. First I go reading of the paragraphs. You will have to listen. Pura kaspyaschit grame eka nirdana vruddha stri nyavasati. Tasya cha eka duhita vinamra manohara cha asit. Ekada mata staryam tandulan nikshipya putri madishat. Suryatape tandulan khagebhyo raksha. Kinchit kaladanantara. Ekaha vichitraha kakaha samuddiya tasyaha samipam agachat. Na etadrishaha naitadrishaha Swarnapaksha is given. Rajata chanchuho Swarnakakaha taya purvam drishtaha. Tam tandulan khadantam hasantam cha. Hasanne plus tam plus cha hasantam cha. Vilokya balika roditum arabdha. Roditum arabdha. Tam nivarayanti sa prarthayat. Tandulan ma bhakshaya. Madiya mata ativa nirdhana vartate. Sarnapakshaha kakaha provacha pra uvacha. Masuchaha suryodayat prak gramat bhahi pippala vriksham anutvaya. Pippala vriksham anutvaya agantavyam. Aham tubhyam tandala mulyam dasyami. Praharshita balika nidramapi nalabhe. सूर्योदयात् पूर्वमेव सा तत्रोपस्थिता वृक्षस्योपरि विलोक्य सा च आश्चर्यचकिता संजाता यत् तत्र स्वर्णमयः प्रासादः वर्तते। यदा काकः शयित्वा प्रबुद्धः तदा तेन स्वर्णगवाक्षात् कथितम्, अम्भो बाले त्वम् आगता तिष्ठ, अहं त्वत्कृते सोपानम् अवतारयामि। संधि स्प्लिट्टिंग संयोग। तत्कथय स्वर्णमयं रजतमयं ताम्रमयं वा। कन्या अवदते, अहं निर्धनमातुः दुहिता अस्मि। ताम्र सोपानेन एव आगमिष्यामि। परं स्वर्णसोपानेन सा स्वर्णभवनम् आरोहत। चिरकालं भवने चित्रविचित्रवस्तूनि सञ्चितानि दृष्ट्वा सा विस्मयं गता। श्रान्तां तां विलोक्य काकः अवदते, पूर्वं लघुप्रातरासः क्रियताम्। वद त्वं स्वर्णस्थाल्यां भोजनं करिष्यसि किं वा रजतस्थाल्याम् उत ताम्रस्थाल्यां? बालिका अवदते, ताम्रस्थाल्याम् एव अहं निर्धना भोजनं करिष्यामि। तदा सा आश्चर्यचकिता संजाता यदा स्वर्णकाकेन स्वर्णस्थाल्यां भोजनं परिवेशितं। न एतादृशं स्वादु भोजनम् अद्यावधि बालिका खादितवती। काको वदते, बालिके, अहम् इच्छामि यत् त्वं सर्वदा अत्रैव तिष्ठ। परं तव माता तु एकाकिनी वर्तते, अतः त्वं शीघ्रम् एव स्वगृहं गच्छ। इत्युक्त्वा इति प्लस उक्त्वा काकः कक्षा अभ्यन्तरात् तिस्रः मञ्जूषाः निस्सार्य तां प्रति प्लस अवदते प्रत्यवदते। बालिके, यथा प्लस इच्छं यथेच्छं गृहाण मञ्जूषाम् एकां लघुतमां मञ्जूषां प्रगृह्य बालिकया कथितं यत् एव मदीयतण्डुलानां मूल्यम्। तस्मिन्नेव ग्रामे एका अपरा लुब्धा वृद्धा निवसते। तदा अपि एका पुत्री आसीत्। ईर्ष्यया सा तस्य स्वर्णकाकस्य रहस्यं ज्ञातवती। सूर्यप्रसातपे तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य तयापि स्वसुता रक्षार्थं नियुक्ता। तथा प्लस एव स्वर्णपक्षः काकः तण्डुलान् भक्षयन् तां प्लस अपि तत्र प्लस एव आकारयते। प्रातः प्लस तत्र गत्वा सा काकं निर्भत्सयन्ती प्रोवाच, भो नीचकाक, अहम् आगता, मह्यं तण्डुलमूल्यं प्रयच्छ। काको ब्रवीते, अहं तत्कृते सोपानम् अवतारयामि। तत्कथया स्वर्णमयं रजतमयं ताम्रमयं वा। गर्वितया बालिकया प्रोक्तं स्वर्णमयेन सोपानेन अहम् आगच्छामि परं स्वर्णकाकः तत्कृते ताम्रमयं सोपानम् एव प्रायच्छते उपसर्ग स्वर्णकाकः स्वर्णकाकस्तां भोजनमपि ताम्रभाजने एव अकारयते प्रतिनिवृत्ति काले स्वर्णकाकेन कक्षा अभ्यन्तरात् तिस्रः मंजूषाः तत्पुरः समुपसर्ग लोभाविष्टा सा बृहत्तमां मंजूषां गृहीतवती गृहम् आगत्य सा तमर्षिता यावत् मंजूषाम् उद्घाटयति तावत् तस्यां भीषणः इष्टसर्पः विसर्ग विलोकितः क्रुद्धया बालिकया लोभस्य फलं प्राप्तवान् तदनन्तरं सा लोभं परित्यजते This is what a lesson reading over. I have given you reading practice today. Now I want to interact with you. And Bhuvaneshwari, be ready. Bhuvaneshwari, are you there online? Bhuvaneshwari, are you there online? Manasa, Mohit, are you able to hear me? Are you able to hear me? Speak then. I'm not able to hear your voice.
Hear you, sir.
Yes. The Diksha.
You, sir.
Okay. Diksha, read the line, first line from here. Pura Kasnischite, this line. I read, stand. Then you can read.
Sir, which line, sir? I didn't see clearly.
Now, see here, I have made bold. Are you able to see now? First line, Pura.
No, sir.
Now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You practice first two lines. I will call you for reading. Okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
And Bhuvaneshwari is there on the screen. Bhuvaneshwari, are you there online? Bhuvaneshwari, are you here? Manasa, are you here? Manasa, read this two lines.
Yeah.
Second two line from here.
Now I
You have to read after Diksha reads. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, first she will start. Diksha, listen carefully. Read Pura Kasnischit Grame Eka Nirdhana Vruddha Stri Nyavasat. Read. Your voice is not audible.
Sir, I'm starting, sir.
Okay.
पुरा कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एकनिर्धना वृद्धा स्त्री न्यवसत्.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Please read next. Who is online? I told Manasa will read next 2 lines.
Sir, I am ready, sir.
Read it.
एकदा माता स्थाल्या तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिश्य
Very good.
सूर्यतपते तण्डुलान् कोगेभ्यो रक्षः.
Khagebhyo. Khaga means bird.
Okay, sir. Kagebhyo. Kagebhyo rakshah.
Very good. Enough. Bhuvaneshwari will continue after that line. From here. Bhuvaneshwari.
Sir.
किंचित कालात् अनन्तरम् एकः विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तस्याः समीपम् अगच्छति. Read it.
Kinchit Kala Tan.
Anant.
Can't say it. Can you please zoom it?
இன்னும் ஜூம் பண்ணுமா பெருசா பண்ணியாச்சுமா.
Okay, sir. Enough. Kinchit Kala Tan.
காலாத்து அனந்தரம் பிரிச்சு
Kalad Anantaram. Eko Vichitrah Kakah Samudya
very good.
Tasya Samipam Agachan.
Very good. Anybody would like to continue reading? Because now I'm having only 6 more minutes to start another class. Any clarification doubts? Because I have given you introduction, reading practice I have given to you. I will upload this in the video. It will come. And if you want to take photo of this, you can take photo also of these pages. Get practice for reading. Or already in the NCERT you can download and get it practice for this. I will continue teaching of the lesson of this. And I teach you first 2 line meaning. One olden days, there was one lady. पुरा कस्मिंश्चित् ग्रामे एका निर्जना वृद्धा स्त्री निवसत्. In one village there was one lady. She was very poor living. तस्याः च एका दुहिता विनम्रा मनोहरा च आसीत्. She was having one girl child, very obedient and a very good student. एकदा माता स्थल्यां तण्डुलान् निक्षिप्य पुत्रीम् आदिशत्. One day, mother was taking the rice. See this picture. See here. Here on the cot, rice, rice. And taking the rice, she was spreading. She is a very poor mother. Told to the girl child, Miss daughter, I am putting here outside. It should get dry. You take care of this because no birds should come and eat this rice. Suryatape tandulan kagebhyo raksha. It is your duty, the mother says to this girl, it is your duty to take care of this rice till sunset time. No bird should come and disturb this rice. किंचित कालानन्तरम् एकः विचित्रः काकः समुड्डीय तस्याः समीपम् आगच्छति. After some times, one different bird, surprised with golden color, it was coming near to this cart and sitting and eating likewise. The girl was able to see. Are you able to understand this paragraph?
Yes, sir.
Okay. एकस्मिन् ग्रामे एका वृद्धा वसति स्म. सा स्वपुत्रीम् अवदत्. सा स्वपुत्रीम् अवदत्. Please go where these are the students 7th standard are coming. I think the students 9th standard our classes gets over because the students are waiting here in the lobby. I am able to see. So I would like to continue for with 7th standard. You have any clarification doubts, you can WhatsApp to me. I have to go to 7th standard. Students are waiting here on the lobby. Okay.
No, sir.
I'm going to for a 7th standard now. Okay. We'll meet 7th standard. Okay. Thank you. धन्यवादाः.
Thank, sir.
Thank you. धन्यवाद.